Hello! Let's learn how to paint apple. We need red color. Ripe and sweet apples are red. Please subscribe. Do you like to eat apples? I like so much. Leaves need to be painted green. This is brown color. This is a banana. We are painting a banana with yellow color. This fruit is very good for health. Brown color. This is a pear. It's so delicious fruit. Light green color. Green color. Grapes. We need a violet color to paint grapes. It's going to be so colorful after the painting. Goodbye, my dears.